The lesson that we're working on today is inverse functions. And what we're going to do is we're going to determine the inverse of a function. And the function that we're working with is f of x equals 2/5 x minus 1/5. The first step is to replace f of x with the variable y. So we have the following equation: x equals 2/5 y minus 1/5. And what I like for us to do is to go ahead and not use a 5 in the denominator. So we're going to go ahead and multiply the right side by 5 and the left side by 5. And we have the equation 5x equals, and then we apply the distributive property 5 times 2, which is 10y/5, minus 5 times 1, which is 5/1. And what we're going to do next is we're going to simplify. So we have 5x equals 2y minus 1. Therefore, we have to write this in slope-intercept form, so we have to add 1 to both sides, and we have 2y equals 5x plus 1. And then our final step is to divide each side by 2, and we have y equals 5x/2 plus 1/2. Our slope is identified as 5/2, and our y-intercept is identified as 1/2. In order for us to indicate that this is the inverse function, we use this notation.